Hey guys, and welcome to this ETH update. We got a lot to talk about. Is this move up finished? Yes or no? Where will it drop to? Is the bottom in or not? So let's get to it. We're talking about for a long time that after this 5-wave up will be finished, we will get a drop, and we were looking to short. So like we said right here, if we go higher, then wave 5 is extended and it will go higher. And to be honest, this move up was quite strong, okay? But in either case, after each 5-wave move up, a drop will happen. Like I said in my previous post, this could still drag for a longer, so we may go up for a while. That depends on how nested these inner waves 5 are and how nested these 1-2-1-2s are. But on a quick look, this 5-wave up, wave 5 could be finished, okay? Meaning that this whole very nested 5-wave move up could be finished. So as we are always saying, if the bottom would be in, we would get a 3-wave correction minimally. There is liquidity here, and there is a lot of liquidity here in the case of the bottom not being in, but we'll get to that later. And if we draw fibs, and in the case of bottom being in right here, and if this is a 5-wave move up, this is then wave 1, okay? And waves 2 tend to retrace deeply. They cannot retrace below the start of wave 1, okay? That's the rule. So they can go very, very deep, but usually they like to retrace in this area right here, which is 0.618 and 0.786 fib. And this is where the first big liquidity pool is right here, okay? If we zoom in, by the way, on our 4-hour chart, we could see this being a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so this may be only an A, B, and C before finishing some of the other 1-2 waves. Maybe a possible final 5-wave move up. If a 5-wave move up is completed, then this may be the first 5-wave move, which is wave A. Okay. So if we back up, this would be first wave A. If you see this green line right here, this is where I shorted with a tight stop loss in these highs right here. But like I said, this is just in case if this 5-wave move up is finished, because it very possibly may be. If we go higher, it would not surprise me as well. So let's get back into it. So we just went into this 5-wave move up. Is it finished? Maybe we shall see. But what else is possible? Okay, what else is possible? And this ties into, is the bottom in or not? Well, two options here. Okay, either this, and we've talked about this for many times now. Okay, either this right here, this structure, is very nested, which means there are many 1-2 waves. Okay, and as many 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2 waves we have, then wave 3 happens, and then as many 1-2 waves we have, we need as many 4-5, 4-5 waves up that finish this whole 1-2-3-4-5 move up. Okay, so if this structure from this bottom right here really was that nested, that this makes sense. Okay, that this was a 1-2-3 triangle 4, and wave 5 was extended as well. Okay, then this being a 5-wave move up makes sense, okay? And this ties in a scenario where the bottom could be in, okay? Because if this was a 5-wave move up, which we are always saying, if the bottom would be in, we need 5 waves up. Okay, if we got 5 waves up, this is potential wave 1. Then we need wave 2, higher low, okay, whether this is at 0.5 or 0.786, that we shall see. That depends on how strong the move is. That's why we need a 5-wave move up, okay, because this is a potential wave 1. So we need all the patience here to see what develops. Will we get wave 2, which allows then for a continuation in wave 3? Or is it something else? And that something else is, well, if this move right here was less nested that we thought, then maybe this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then we got a triangle. Okay, the only certain thing is that this is a triangle, and triangles are either wave B. It can be also some of the other things, but in this case, it could either be wave B of an ABC, or wave 4 of a 5-wave move up. Okay, triangles can be these two things. Okay, either wave 4 or wave B. So if this move was less nested than we think, then the second option is as well that this was a 5-wave move up, wave A, wave B triangle, and this is wave C. Okay, and we do not want that. We do not want that because this would increase chances of the bottom not being in, and would mean that this was a part of a correction, and this is now only a pullback 3-wave move, and we will get another drop. And we will not find out which one is until this move down starts. Will it be a corrective move? Okay, slow and grindy, which is corrective, or will it be sharp and impulsive? So we will have to have all the patience for that. In general, crypto looks very good. So we can hope that this was wave 2 and that we will now get a corrective wave before wave 3 up. Okay, now let's check out this bear market wave count structure. Would it make sense that the bottom is in or not? If you remember from right here, I was expecting this to be some kind of a 3-wave move and this to be some kind of a 3-wave move. And then this was some kind of a 5-wave move, which is an ABC flat, okay? And that the real final one more lower low would come to finish this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so in any case, we're looking for a 5-wave move down here. But since this move right here, okay, this is so impulsive that we must exclude this to be a flat ABC. And we have to take into account that this was some kind of a not beautiful, but quite of a nested 1, 2, a 5-wave move down, 1, 2, and this was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 4, 5 from this 1, 2, and then again 4, 5 from this small 1, 2 right here. Okay, so something like that. In any case, we have to take into account that this at the end was some kind of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So taking that into account, looking at this structure, is this something we were looking for? Well, yes, there are always more options, but yes, with this 5-wave move down, this was something we were looking for. Okay, we looked at quite a few scenarios, and these are just some of them. If we zoom out, you can remember that we are following this whole structure being some kind of a flat. So this A, B, C right here. We were covering that for many times where we would need a 5-wave move down in this wave C. And one of the ways we could get these 5 waves in this C right here is, first of all, this is a legal leading diagonal, this right here, which could be wave 1. So that would make wave 1 truncated C, wave 3, 4, and 5. Then another wave count we were looking at is that wave 1 was actually this right here. So this 5-wave move up, and then we need wave 2, some kind of a 3-wave correction that ends above wave 1 right here. Okay, and that happened as well. This could either be some kind of an ABC. Okay, in this case, this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this would be a diagonal, so some kind of an ABC, and another 3-wave, in this case, would be a WXY, a double 3, and we could find a double 3 here as well. So again, if we take into account that this was actually a 5-wave move down we were searching for, then yes, there are many scenarios where this bottom could be in from the perspective of what the wave counts allow. If the bottom would not be in, which is possible as well, but we do not want to talk about that, right? In this case, you could see this 5-wave move down, and this would then have to become a corrective 3-wave move. So this was some kind of wave 1, 2, 5-wave move in wave 3, a corrective wave 4 that cannot go above. If this was wave 1, wave 4 cannot go above this line right here, and we are now actually missing a final 5th wave down. Is if this is actually some kind of a wave C 5-wave move down. And because everything is always possible, if this is a 3-wave move, a corrective move up, like I said, also if this was some kind of a 3-wave move, WXY or ABC, this could still be an wave X, and we still need a 3-wave move down to complete a bigger WXY. So we shall see what happens. Studying wave counts could be a blessing and a curse a lot of times, because when you study wave counts, then you know all the possible wave patterns that still can happen from the current wave structure. Okay, but we have to zoom out or zoom in and take a look at what's in front of us right now. And right now, the whole crypto looks very, very good. Okay. If you remember, I like Bitcoin very much as well, but I need a 5-wave move up. Okay, at the moment we are in some kind of wave 3 only. Okay, I need to see a break of this 82.8k, and then I need to see a continuation in wave 5. Okay, we cannot end in this wave 3 because this could still mean that this was wave 1, 2, and we still need to go down further. That's why I'm saying that there are many options still possible from the current structure. For the crypto in general, Bitcoin needs to break 82.8k and has to make a 5-wave move up, and then we are good to go, because after a 5-wave move up, a 3-wave retracement happens. Okay, and in that case, if we get 5 waves up and a retracement, we will go up. Okay, we will go up further. If Bitcoin stops at 3 waves, then the whole crypto could fall. Okay, and the same goes for ETH. All eyes on what happens here. Is the move a corrective move or a strong impulsive move? Okay, right now ETH still has some room to go up. In case this move is more nested and there is one more 1-2 wave that needs its own 4-5. But like I said, this 5-wave move up may be finished as well. If we look at the RSI, it came almost at 90, which is very, very overbought. And ETH right here is at a double resistance and a bit bigger resistance that was respected right here. Okay, so that was it. Right now, like I said, a patience game for the move to show us what this really is. But it is looking very, very good. Okay, so that was it. Let me know in the comments what you think for ETH and for the crypto in general. And until next time, have a nice day. Bye bye.